In our ever-changing Philippines where modernity meets tradition, access to reproductive health services remains a pressing challenge. Ensuring that every Filipino can make informed choices about their own health is not just a policy issue. It is the foundation of human dignity and progress. Today, we explore the gaps that persist and the steps we must take to empower our people.
Asahan na ang mas pinalawig na implementasyon ng Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Law. Ito ay matapos lagdaan ni Pangulong Duterte ang kautusan para dito. Nagbabalik si Sweden Velado.
In 2012, the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Law was enacted to guarantee essential services and education to all Filipinos, regardless of income or background. Yet, for many, especially in rural areas, the promise of accessible reproductive health remains unfulfilled. Recent data shows that over 13 million Filipino women of reproductive age wish to avoid pregnancy, yet nearly 43% do not use modern contraceptives. In rural regions, unintended pregnancy and teenage births are even more common, underscoring an urgent need for reliable, accessible reproductive health services. Obstacles persist across multiple fronts. Resource limitation. In numerous rural communities, healthcare facilities are underfunded and lack essential supplies, forcing long and costly journeys for basic care. Second, cultural and religious barriers. Conservative beliefs often stigmatize discussion about contraception, discouraging many from seeking help. Third one is educational gaps. The absence of comprehensive sexual education leaves young people uninformed about their reproductive rights and options. Last one is political and financial constraint. Fluctuating political support and inconsistent funding result in unstable service delivery and supply chain. Strengthen community health services. Deploy mobile clinics and empower community health workers to reach underserved areas. Initiatives that have already shown success of increasing contraceptive uptake and reducing unintended pregnancy. Enhance sexual education. Integrate age-appropriate, culturally sensitive reproductive health education into school curricula, which empowers young people with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. Last one, secure consistent funding and foster partnership. Increase government funding and encourage public-private collaboration to bolster healthcare infrastructure and ensure a steady supply of essential contraceptives. Improving access to reproductive health services is more than just a policy change. It's a commitment to human rights and social justice. By strengthening community-based services, expanding sexual education, and advocating for reliable funding, we can empower every Filipino to make choices that protect their health and future. Join us in the vital advocacy and together let's ensure that every Filipino has the knowledge and resources they need to thrive.